How to improve your English communication. Do you understand English but feel nervous speaking it? Imagine confidently talking in a cafe in Paris, a meeting in Berlin, or making new friends in Madrid. Today, I'll show you practical tips to improve your English communication fast. I remember the first time I tried to speak English. It was at a small cafe in Paris. I wanted to order a coffee, but the words got stuck in my throat. I said something completely wrong, and the barista looked confused. I wanted to disappear. That day I realized I needed to improve my English, not just for school, but for life. At first, English felt impossible. I knew words, but I couldn't use them in real conversations. Every time I tried to speak, I panicked. I avoided talking to foreigners because I was afraid of mistakes. Does this sound familiar to you? I decided to start small. Every morning, I spoke to myself in English. I described my day. I am making coffee. I will go to school. At first, it felt silly, but slowly I became more comfortable with the words. Then I listened to English songs and repeated the lyrics. This helped me learn the natural rhythm of the language. One day, I joined an online English chat group. I met a girl from Spain and a guy from Germany. Our first conversation was awkward, but we laughed at our mistakes. I realized speaking with real people is the fastest way to improve. Each conversation taught me new words, expressions, and confidence. Months later, I was invited to speak at a local youth event in Amsterdam. My heart was racing. But I remembered all the small steps, talking to myself, listening to English, and chatting with friends online. I spoke slowly, clearly, and people understood me. The fear was gone. I had turned mistakes into learning. Now, I use English every day. Ordering coffee, chatting online, watching YouTube. English is part of my life. The difference? I stopped aiming for perfection. I aim for communication. And that's what makes a real English speaker. So if you want to improve your English communication, start small, speak every day, practice with real people, and don't fear mistakes. Imagine yourself 1 year from now, confidently speaking English anywhere in Europe or the world. That can be you. If this video helped you even a little, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join this journey with me. I'll be sharing more tips, stories, and real-life English practice to help you become confident in speaking. And tell me in the comments, what is your biggest challenge in speaking English? I'd love to help you.